Now go to Account tab. Click Enroll Now. And you will get the Apple Developer Agreement. Once you have read the agreement, click Agree. And again click Agree to confirm it. Now click Continue. Again click Continue. Here select Individual. And then click Continue. Now again we will get another agreement form. So just scroll down. Click Agree. And confirm it. Next, we need to purchase the annual membership subscription to get the Apple Developer account. So let's click here and make the payment. Once you have made the payment, you will receive an email verification from Apple to verify your identity. So if we go to our inbox, you can see that we have received an email. So let's open it. And as you can see, we have got the verification email. So this is where you need to add your government ID and your details to verify your identity. Now to verify, first we need to upload a government ID in this link. So let's open it. Now you can provide any government ID like your driving license or an Aadhaar card. I'm going to add my Aadhaar ID. So let's click Browse. Select the file. Then click Open. Now at the back side, again click Browse and select the back side. Then click Open. And once you've uploaded the files, click Continue and go back here. Now to complete the verification, we need to send these details as a reply to this email. So just click Reply. Now let's enter those details. And click Send. Now after 2 days, we will receive the confirmation email. So if we go to our inbox after 2 days, you can see that we have received an email. Let's open it. And as you can see, we are successfully enrolled as an Apple developer. Once you have got the Apple developer account, we can now go to step 3, which is to connect to our Apple developer account with AppMySite. Once you have connected to your developer account, you will be able to download the app from AppMySite and then publish the app on the App Store. Now to connect to the account, we are going to use Mac OS as this process can only be done using it. So let's go back here on the Mac OS. And here, we need to fill up these details from the Apple Developer ID. So first, let's get the team ID. Just open a new tab and go to developer.apple.com. Now click on Account. Now here, type in your Apple ID and then log in with your account. Now go to Membership tab. And here you can see we have got the team ID. So just copy this. Now go back here and then paste it. Next, we need to add the iPhone distribution certificate here to connect to our account. So to get the distribution certificate, let's go back to our developer account. Now go to Overview and click here. Here, click Create a Certificate. And it will take you to this page. Now here, you need to select the certificate which you want to get for your iOS app. As we want to get the iPhone distribution certificate, let's select iOS distribution and click Continue. Now to get the distribution certificate, first we need to send a request form to Apple from our Mac OS. Only then we'll be able to download the distribution certificate. So to get the request form, we need to go to the Keychain app from Mac. So just open the Launchpad, search for Keychain, and you will get the Keychain Access app like this. Let's open it. Now go to Keychain Access. Here, go to Certificate Assistant and click Request a Certificate. Once you click it, you will get a pop-up window like this. And here, enter the email ID which you used to create the Apple developer account and click Save to Disk. Then click Continue. And here, select a location where you want to save the file. I'm going to select Desktop for easy access and click Save. So now if we go to our desktop, you can see that we have got the certificate request form. Now to get the certificate, we need to upload the request form to Apple. Now drag this file, then drop it here and click Continue. As you can see, our distribution certificate is ready to download. So let's click Download. And now we have got the app distribution certificate. Now if you see here, our certificate is in .cer format. But to upload the certificate to App My Site, it should be in .p12 format. So to convert the certificate to .p12 format, again we need to go to the Keychain app. So let's open it. Now make sure you're in the Login tab and go to My Certificates. Now drag the certificate from the desktop and drop it here. Then right click on it, click Export, and you will get this pop-up. Now click here. Now select the .p12 format and click Save. Here you need to create a password for your certificate. I'm going to set a password and click OK. Now here you need to enter the login password of your system. So let's enter the password and click Allow. And now we have successfully converted the certificate to .p12 format. So let's go back to App My Site and click Upload File. Now select the certificate which we have converted just now. Now click Open. And then here we need to enter the certificate's password. I'm going to enter the password which I have set. Now to complete connecting our developer account with App My Site, we need to upload the iPhone provisioning profile. Now to get the provision profile, first we need to create an identifier. And then we can use it to get the provisioning profile. So to create an identifier, let's go back to our Apple developer account and go back. Now go to Identifiers and click Register an App ID. Here, make sure App IDs is selected and click Continue. Here, make sure App is selected, then click Continue. Now here, give a description of your app. I'm going to enter Next Casuals. And here, you need to enter Bundle ID from App My Site. So let's go to App My Site. Click here to copy. Let's go back here and paste it here. Now scroll down. And here, you need to select the features of your app. I'm going to select Push Notifications and click Continue. Then click Register. And as you can see, we have successfully created an identifier from our app. Once you have created the identifier, now to get the provisioning profile, go to Profiles, click Generate a Profile, and here, select App Store under Distribution and click Continue. Now click here and select the identifier which we have created. Then click Continue. Here make sure the certificate is selected and then click Continue. Now here, you need to give a name for your provisioning profile. I'm going to enter Next Casuals and click generate. And as you can see, our provisioning profile is ready. So let's click download. And as you can see, we have got the profile. Now to upload it, let's go back to App My Site and click upload. Then select the file which we have downloaded now and click open. As you can see, we have got the certificates and details from the developer account. So now we have successfully connected our Apple developer account with App My Site. Once you have connected the account, we can now go ahead and download the app. So let's click build app. Now it will take around 20 minutes to generate our app. Once it is generated, just click download IPA. And as you can see, we have now successfully downloaded our app. Once you have downloaded the app, we can now go to the final part of launching the iOS app, which is to publish our app on the App Store. Now to publish the app, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to provide details of your app on the App Store Connect. So to provide the details, let's go back to our Apple developer account and make sure you're in the Overview tab. Now click App Store Connect and click here. Here go to My Apps. Then click Add Apps. Now here, you need to enter the basic details of your app. So first, let's select the iOS platform. Next here, give a name to your app. Now this is the name with which your app will appear on the App Store. So make sure to enter the right name you want for your app. I'm going to enter Next Casuals. And here, you need to choose a primary language for your app. So I'm going to select English US. Now click here and select the bundle ID. And here, you need to enter a unique name for your app. Now you can use any name or number as long as it is unique among your apps. This name will help us organize our apps and differentiate between all the apps we created. So I'm going to enter Next Casual App. And finally, here you need to select the access which you want to give to your users. I'm going to select Full Access. Once you have done this, click Create. And it will take you to this page. Now here, you need to fill up these details. So first, let's enter a promotional text. Next here, give a description for your product. I'm going to enter my description. Now here, you can enter the keywords related to your app. I'm going to enter the keywords related to my store. And here, enter the contact link which your customers can use to contact you. Now I'm going to give the contact page link of my site. So let's go to our site and go to the contact page. Now just copy this address and then paste it here. And here, you need to enter the copyright text for your app. I'm going to enter my copyright text. Once you have done that, just scroll down. And here, you need to provide details of a test account to test the functionality of the app. So just create an account and enter the username and password of that account here. I'm going to enter the username and password of the test account. And here you need to provide your contact information using which the Apple support team can contact you if there is any issue while testing the app. I'm going to enter my contact details. And once you have done this, click Save. Next, we need to provide general information for the app. So let's go to App Information. And here